Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of aggression. Attitudes or behavior that is hostile or violent toward another person. Willingness to confront or attack. For example, his chin was jutting with aggression. American pronunciation. Aggression. Aggression. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Aggression. Say. Aggression. Aggression means feelings of anger or antipathy resulting in hostile or violent behavior. Aggression. Aggression. Aggression origin. In the early 17th century, the term, an attack, was used in Latin aggression. It derives its meaning from aggredi, a Latin verb meaning, to attack. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Assault varies from verbal to full-blown aggression and violence. Now, repeat after me. Assault varies from verbal to full-blown aggression and violence. The second practice. He or she may have problems controlling anger and aggression. Now, repeat after me. He or she may have problems controlling anger and aggression.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.